Hello student, I come back in new chapter. I am going to start the new chapter of class 12, reproduction in organism. Reproduction in organism, basically there are two types of reproduction in organism, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So what is the really means of the reproduction? Reproduction means each and every living organism have two tendency to reproduce one type of progeny to maintain the existence of the species. I will take only asexual reproduction in class 12 bio. So first chapter only I am discuss about the asexual, different type of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in case of plant, in case of animal and in case of plant. In case of plant, asexual reproduction are following type: fission, budding, spore formation and fragmentation, and next one regeneration. Regeneration. So I will discuss about the fission. Fission मतलब टूट जाना, स्प्लिट कर जाना. So there are two type of fission: binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission only takes place in a unicellular living organism like amoeba. Amoeba is a unit in eukaryotic in nature, and it undergoes division to form the two daughter cell. That is called the binary fission. For example, this one is the amoeba. It is a nucleus of amoeba. First of all, karyokinesis. First of all, karyon means nucleus are divided into two equal half, and finally, cell is divided into daughter cell. So one cell is divided to form two daughter cells is called the binary fission. Binary fission in case of amoeba. And next one is called the multiple fission in case of plasmodium. Plasmodium is also a unicellular. The structure of the plasmodium. This is the structure of the plasmodium. It is only protozoans. Nucleus are firstly divided into many types. Nucleus is divided, undergoes the multiple division to form the large number of nucleus, and each nucleus contains some amount of cytoplasm around it. And finally, parental cell is ruptured, and these in contact with the substratum and to germinate into new young one. That is called the multiple fission. मतलब सिंगल सेल से कई ढेर सारे बनना, that is called the multiple fission. And next type of asexual type of reproduction is called the budding. It is a very simple type of reproduction. Basically there are two type of budding: exogenous and endogenous. Exogenous means when the outgrowth are present on the outer surface of the body. For example, yeast, it is a unicellular fungi. It forms an outgrowth. These outgrowths are detached from the parental one and germinate into new young one. That is called the exogenous. Exogenous means but are formed on the outer surface of the body. Next is called the endogenous. Endogenous means in case of a spongilla, sponge. This is the sponge, body of a sponge. Asexual body like gemmules, asexual body like gemmules, it comes in osculum and form the large number of nucleus it form the micropyle and finally germinate into new young one. That type of budding is called the endogenous because the asexual body are present inside the body. Next one is called the spore formation. Spore formation in case of Chlamydomonas, it is a unicellular, have the one pair of flagella. Have the one pair of flagella, it helps to nil locomotion. So spore formation, that is called the spore. This type of spore called the zoospore. Zoospore, and it settle down on the substratum and germinate into new young one. In case of Spirogyra, this body of the Spirogyra, it is a filamentous body. It has a large number of nucleus. These nucleus are shifted toward the apical part, that is called the sporangia. Sporangia, and these sporangia are split and spore are in contact with the substratum and germinate into new young one. Next spore formation called the penicillium. It forms the conidia. Conidia, like this one is the conidia. It is an asexual body and it detaches from the parental one and germinate into new young one. So that is called the spore formation. And next is the fragmentation. It is occur only a filamentous body like the Spirogyra body, the filamentous. And body is divided into small pieces. And these small pieces are germinate into new young one. That type of reproduction is called the fragmentation. Next is called the regeneration. Regeneration in case of planaria and hydra. Planaria is a multicellular body. It has the more power of regeneration. This is the planaria. It cut two or more than two pieces, and each piece germinate into new young one, and each piece germinate into new young one. In case of planaria, it is all about the asexual reproduction in case of animal. Then I will take the next lecture, asexual reproduction in case of plant. Thank you.